Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker. This prevents shocks and lets you work confidently. Once done, verify with a non-contact tester on the socket and wires. Make sure your ladder is stable and you're wearing gloves to protect the LED lens and your hands. Remove any diffuser or trim by unscrewing clips. Set fasteners in a labeled container so you don't lose them. Now, position your tools within arm's reach so you remain safe and efficient as you proceed. You support the LED module with one hand while removing the mounting screws with the other. This prevents a drop. Once the module is loose, gently tilt it down to reveal the driver and connections. Identify whether the driver uses quick connects or wire nuts. This matters for reinstallation. Disconnect the power leads by loosening wire nuts or unplugging connectors, and remove any adhesive strips or clips holding the driver. Keep track of which wire goes where using tape or labels for easy reconnection later. You now remove the fixture fully, exposing the junction box. If you are not installing a new light, cap the hot and neutral with wire nuts and tuck them safely back into the box. Once secured, turn the breaker back on and test the circuit and socket with your voltage tester. If you plan to install a new fixture, reverse the steps. If you encounter flicker or no power, shut the breaker off and double-check wire nuts and polarity. If problems persist, contact a licensed electrician. Do not force connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.